Hey guys, it's Abby and I'm the HBIC for Smartass and Sass. We are still quarantining, but I wanted to show you everything that was in the April subscription. So here we go with our unboxing. Okay, so April's theme was domestic as hell, which we planned way before COVID. It just kind of worked out perfectly that we are all have all been stuck at home. So every month you get this insert that shows you every item that you're getting, where it came from, where you can get more of that brand or artist stuff, and then it also tells you the following month's theme. So May's theme is work hard, play hard. We've actually already sold out of May, which is bananas, but you can get on our wait list for the June subscription, and we'll be opening that up on May 14th. So if you get on the wait list, you'll be the first to know about that. But let's dig into this April box. So first up, I'm gonna show you this month's spoiler item. It was the Subversive Sponges from Fred. So this comes with 4 separate, completely usable sponges. And then it also comes with this cute little stand, like display stand. So here's one pair of those, and then here is the other. Our subscribers, by far their favorite was fuck dish shit. And then this little stand can display them in one of 2 ways. So you can use this little clip that just slides in here and it can stand on top of your counter, or you can use these little suction cups and stick it to the side of your sink. So when you're not using your sponge, you can just slide it in there like that and it looks like a little embroidered picture. So everyone was really excited about that, and I love my set. Okay, next up I'm going to show you an item that we designed here at SNS. It is a button style magnet, and it says damn dirty and squeaky clean. So it is a magnet for your dishwasher, right? So you can just flip it up and down when your dishes are clean or dirty. So there's that, and it's 4 inches wide. Okay, next up we have an item from Tub Tonics. So it's called the I'm Done Adulting Today soaking salts, and these are peppermint and eucalyptus. So there are those. These smell so good. And this package is about 2 to 3 baths worth of salts. So you can get a few baths out of that, but they smell really refreshing. Okay, next up we have another item from Smartass and Sass. So we have been wanting to do a reusable snack bag, and so we did. So it says Snack Accidents Happen. It says it on both sides. It has a cute little tag. This is food safe fabric. It is washable and reusable, obviously, and it has a little stretch to it, which is really nice. But yeah, it's just a good size little snack bag, a little zipper on top. Okay, next we have a coaster set that says drinks are on me. So this is a 2 coaster pack, and I started to unwrap it a little bit just so you could see. So it comes with 2, and they'll be wrapped like this, but they are wood on the top and marble on the bottom. They are so pretty, and they have little feet on them to make them easy to shift around and protect your table. So you get a set of 2 of those. Okay, a couple more items. Next up, we have a notepad from Holly Audley, and it says tasks I must complete before I can watch Netflix. I mean, this is just our life now. And then at the bottom it says, boom, boom, congratulations, you may finally watch Netflix. So this is, I believe, 5.5 by 8.5 inches, 50 pages. So it's a really good size and so cute. I can't have enough notepads. Okay, 2 more things. So every month we do a collectible item, and that item goes in every subscriber's shipment. So whether you get the shirt, the box, the big box, you'll get that collectible item. So this was our very last pin that we were doing, and it says adultish. I don't know if it'll focus. It says adultish. So this is a BitClick pen in like a turquoise teal color, and starting next month we are doing stickers as the collectible item, like a nice high quality laminated sticker. So last pin that we'll have for a while probably. Okay, last box item comes in this cute little giftable box, and it is a mug, but it's a little bit different than mugs that we've done in the past. So this mug is melamine, so it almost has a plastic feel to it, but it is shatterproof. So you can let your little ones use it and not have to worry about anything breaking. But it says, I run on caffeine, chaos, and cuss words. So it works if you like coffee or tea, or if you put pop in there, or if you don't even drink caffeine, you can just put some wine in there. But it has this really pretty floral design on it. And I believe this clocked in at 14 ounces. So it's also big enough that you have a little room if you do like a standard coffee cup. So those were all the items in the box this month. And then of course we have the t-shirt. So this month we did a white soft blend tee, which I think is the first time we've ever done a white shirt. And it says, home is where the pants aren't. So it has this like two-tone pink print. It's super cute. So yeah, that is this month's box, Domestic as Hell. We have a couple of the full boxes left in the shop, and then some of the individual items that you can grab. Like I said, May has already sold out for the subscription, but you can get on the wait list, and we'll be opening up June spots on May 14th. And we have added extra spots for that, so hopefully we can get everyone signed up who wants to sign up. So I will post the links for these extra items, and if you guys have any questions, you can email us at info@smartassandsass.com. Thanks!